Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're going to do one of the first mods to the 2020 Supra, and excited to have it done. It needs it bad. We're going to do tint and tint out the side markers too. They're obnoxiously bright against that blue paint, and they are only on the US cars as far as I know, just for regulations, but they're not lighted or anything. They are just reflectors, and the headlights and taillights have the turn signals built into the side. So we're going to do the blackout treatment, and here once again at Tri-State Elite window tint. They did an excellent job on my Corvette, and you're going to see the quality work Zack does. Trims the window right up to the edge. You can't even tell it's tinted. So today we're going to show you the process, and you'll see the before and after results. Alright, so the first step is bulk cutting the film off the roll, and today we're going to use the new Dub IR ceramic tint at 20%, and it's going to keep all that heat out much better than traditional film. So again, just trimming around the edges to get it down to size, and then he's going to use the heat gun to shrink the film and get it fitted correctly to the window. Now comes the precise cut, being sure not to score the window using that button. Then you're going to prep the inside of the glass, cleaning it and making sure no debris is on there before applying the window tint. After the inside window and the film is sprayed down with soapy water, the film is placed on the glass, lined up, and squeegeed on to stick. And there you have one complete window, looking good from the outside. Now there's a few extra steps for the side windows, and that includes sanding down the dot matrix pattern that's on the edge of the window so the film sticks. Also using a heat lamp after setting the film, because the window goes up and down every time the door opens, so to pre-cure that. And then finally trimming that window film right up to the edge as Zack does, leaving a factory tint look. You cannot see any gap between the window tint and no tint, so very cool. I love that feature. Now on to blackening out the side markers, and we're going to use the dark tint Luxe wrap on these, and it's a thicker vinyl like material, but basically it goes on dry, so just to clean, apply them dry. The edges are pressed down firmly to be sure it sticks, and then finally trim off the excess. And finally, some heat is used to conform the material. Alright guys, and you can see the final product behind me. It looks awesome with the blackout treatment, just what the car needs. It was a little bit of a fishbowl, and with those ugly bright side markers, toned it down a bit to match everything else in the exterior. And again, thanks to Zack, he did a wonderful job. Very happy with how he trims those windows. You can't even tell. If you are in the Pittsburgh area, definitely look down below for his contact info. It'll be down there. Just give him a call. He's a great guy, and he'll hook you up. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this first little mod for the Supra. Much more to come. Definitely stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.